Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I am super excited to get you guys the newest iPad Pro 11-inch with the M4 chip in there. So with all the bells and whistles like the tandem OLED and all that. So what they did was quite sneaky. They changed the Magic Keyboard, so no longer you can't use the old Magic Keyboard, and also the Apple Pencil. They introduced the Apple Pencil Pro. So I've gotten them as well. Now this set me back nearly 2,600 Aussie dollars. So if you appreciate that, please do like, subscribe. They all help. I'm just a tiny channel and I'm doing this for you guys so you guys can see what to expect. Let's get the unboxing process started. So first of all, let's start off with the Apple Pencil. So they've got a bit of artsy-fartsy look to it here. Yes, it costs $219 in Australia, which is ludicrous. That's good, that's nice, okay, that's different. I haven't used an Apple Pencil for a very long time. I had the very first one, but that's about it, then didn't get the second one. Okay, so a bunch of paperwork, no stickers for now. Okay, so that is the Apple Pencil here. Okay, comes with a bit of a plasticky cover. Would be nice if they even got rid of it. I mean, it's not gonna damage in there. So it'll charge through here. It's not got anything else. It'll have some haptic feedback over here as well. Let's look at the paperwork. So you get, first of all, you get a bit of a where should it work and changing the nib, replacing it. I've never had one replaced on the old one, and it was quite old. It's just paperwork. A lot of this Thai stuff right now that's going on in the Thai language. And I think it's now getting made in Thailand because of all the embargoes on China, and Apple's just spreading itself out and making sure it doesn't get hit with any of the embargoes. All right, let's move on to the Magic Keyboard. iPad Magic Keyboard. As soon as my camera decides to focus in properly, it's getting confused. So that is it. And yes, it costs 500 bucks here in Australia because we are idiots and we love paying big tech whatever they ask for us for. All right, that's it, and bang. All right, so that is it, and nothing else needed, so that's good. I'm happy with that. Let's look inside. It's quite weighty though. That's something immediately that I've noticed, and it's probably because of all the magnets it's got and the charging capabilities it gives it. So it makes it weighty, which is not something I'm a big fan of. So I've gotten white to go with the silver. So this is the white version. And oh, of course you get some paperwork in there because they just love the environment so much. Let's look in here. There is something here. Sneaky, very nice. All right, so just some paperwork, that's it. Nothing too spectacular. No, thank you for buying an Apple whatever product that's costing an arm and a leg. So the M4 iPad is just, I think, very overpriced, especially when you compare it to a laptop. And I know it's not a great comparison. I mean, most of the people who are photographers get this. Videographers, I don't think they would get it, you know, because it's just too limiting. But photographers might get it and get their work done, and artists and things like that. But I can't think of a videographer getting it. All right, so that's the brand new iPad M4. So those are the details on it. Okay, let's get it opened. My camera's being really funny today. I'm noticing it's zooming in and out and focusing in the wrong areas. Not zooming, focusing in the wrong areas. So I don't think we need this big a piece of paper. Make this recycled. Anyways, so what do you get? You get a 20-watt brick. So I'm not even going to open this. It's just a 20-watt brick. I've got a Anker 3-in-1 USB-C charger with 120 watts. I'm not even going to open this. This is basically useless to me. So that's basically it. So let's get this iPad opened. Apple's been really disappointing to me, especially of late. It's not the same Apple it used to be. The customer service has gone down. Okay, that's something different. So it's got a bit of a piece of paper there just to keep it in line. Never seen that before. It's a new thing. Alright, so all the fuss about it being so thin and rah. Yeah, when they tell you, it does feel different in your hand. It is a tiny bit lighter as well. Once I put it in there, I don't think that's going to make much of a difference. Yep, beautiful. Alright, bang, that's it. What do you guys think? I like the white and silver, you know, the white pencil as well. Bang, alright. But it oh my god, it just increases the weight so much. It's unbelievable. Please focus on my hand properly. Alright, so I've changed the settings on my camera, so hopefully it'll focus in a bit better. Yep, it's focusing the right. Nope, still having issues. Why? Anyways, so this is the iPad. I like it. I'll keep it down here so it focuses properly. Having camera issues, that's the last thing I want after spending $2,600. What do you guys think? It's nice and sturdy, but it makes it really heavy. Almost an iPad Air. Let me go get my wife's iPad Air. So this is just an M2, 13-inch. Oh my god, yeah. This almost feels heavier. Nah, this feels heavier. The iPad with all of its bells and whistles feels heavier, and it's nowhere near as powerful as a proper laptop. So yeah, I'll probably stay away from this case, but god, it looks good. And I think it makes it thicker as well. What do you guys think? Yeah, that's heaps thicker. Yeah, that's thicker. Alright, so this is 11-inch, this is 13-inch proper laptop. Anyways, that's the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching it to the end. Really appreciate it. Please do comment below what you guys think. Which one would you go for? Would you go for a MacBook Air or over the iPad? I know they're different application, but the MacBook laptop gives you so much more options. Anyways, thank you for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye-bye.